This is the guy from Saturday Night Live. Tom Roberts was on Saturday Night Live. Portlandia.
Okay, Fred Armisen.
Fred Armisen, yeah. We gotta take a break. Scott, let's get out of here. We'll be back.
Yay! We're gonna get better,
You previously said that you would just go to jail. Well, they would give you a COVID shot going into jail.
Right, of course. Of course they would. So I'd be screwed either way and still in jail. So whatever is what it is. But you know what? Until that happens, damn shot. Not what I really wanted to say.
What did you want to say?
I couldn't tell you.
No, I mean, you could dance around it.
I'm sure I could. Yeah, it was a matter of I'm not taking your goddamn effing shot at all whatsoever until that point.
Until you were absolutely forced.
Until I am forced to.
Yeah, yeah.
Really not agree with them. I mean, I could see it how this could be a setup
Who? Like who's at the root of this?
the government. The government right now that
Which
is
branch?
all of
Which party side?
all of the Democratic side for
Stop.
sure.
Nobody's coming to get your guns.
But they try.
No, they don't try. When the last time anybody tried to come take your guns?
Like come to your house and physically take them.
Whatever version of take your guns means. When was the last time that happened?
We've been working on gun control for decades, bro.
Gun control isn't taking your guns.
No. But once again, phrase that pays today, it starts somewhere.
That's not a real thing, though. You're making it. Dude, it's the most active thing on the neighborhood Facebook page. You should have.
Is it Jaman?
I didn't
It looks
want to.
white.
Well, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the other bitches complaining or whatever.
Well, I didn't want to move into that neighborhood. My wife wanted to, and I'm like, I don't care. That's fine. I don't care if you live in the fanciest neighborhood or the least fanciest neighborhood.
The
There's
real
a neighbor that
biggest
doesn't take care of their
mullet you
house.
ever
There's
caught.
a neighbor that's white trash. There's a neighbor that has 85 cars in the driveway. There's a neighbor that doesn't take their trash can in. Right? Like it's all. This is a double pointer. This is a Jim Carrey movie where he plays Hoffman.
What was that?
No, it's also an REM song. We tipped the astronauts and they landed on the
Barracuda!
correct. This is about a dog
Wait.
he had a company called 1NMM Capital.
You got it?
And he claimed to distribute English films to the
I
Latin
can see
American
it here,
market through partnerships with HBO and Netflix.
Yay!
2015, he allegedly sent investors bottles of Johnny Walker Blue,
Yay!
along with an annual report that said the company had acquired and successfully distributed 49 films through the 1NMM Capital banner without incurring a single loss. He also claimed to expand
business, do your deed, and be like, so, just so you know, I mean, we can do this, but I'm not looking for any kind of relationship or anything like that. Hit me up anytime you want to get laid, but I'm not looking for any kind of tie down.
How many times has that conversation happened for you?
A lot, especially in the single me.
What?
Betwixt, relationship now and the divorce. Oh yeah, that was a common phrase coming out of my mouth. Listen, I don't want any kind of relationship.
Wow.
We can bang all day long. I don't care. But
They got other spots here. What's that? Like that or like that?
The Wonders number 2
Like
of the
this
top
or
5
like
songs
this?
from fake movie bands. Give me how do you feel about the Wonders coming in the 2 spot?
I'm okay with it.
Because the way you're moving your hand, I ain't sure exactly where you
first thought of when I see the title.
Sheriff's Department will release the accident report today. It's expected to have much new information from the February rollover crash, but I don't think it's going to have the thing.
Right.
Whatever that nugget is we're expecting to be like, oh, there you go.
Right. Oh, he was high on drugs, of course.
I heard a crazy thing, and I don't even want to repeat it. But the crazy thing alluded that it was a crazy drug he was on.
Oh, really?
No.
Like, I don't know, like fentanyl or like crocodile or something like that. I'm smarter than that. Better.
That's a
than
barracuda.
Be better than that. Everyone's better than that drug.
that. Well, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, sure.
However, like, I see him experimenting with a few other things before getting to this level.
It is a barracuda.
Longtime Ranger.
Told you, there's a lot of barracuda.
Rubnid
It is?
Odor is said to become the newest member.
Oh, wow, it's a biggie.
Member of the Yankees. ESPN reports New York is finalizing a trade for the 27-year-old, sending Texas minor league outfielders.
There's a few text-ins that came in that weren't on the list that are
Barracuda,
also
it's gonna
one of
happen.
those. Scotty doesn't know. It's right there on that list, man. Thumbs.
But it's fun to catch.
No, I'm a thumbs
can't
down.
get mad
An
when
emphatic
they-
thumbs down.
That seem to be attracted to crazy that gets into this the
Yeah,
most.
because they have so many.
You know, like
Yeah.
they just keep
Yeah.
like falling into the same trap, and I'm like, can you snip out crazy DNA? I don't know how you're doing that, but it's every time. Like it would take me a while to find somebody like this, but yeah, you got to be careful who you let into your life, man, for real.
It will dictate your entire life, who you lay down with, one night stand. Look, I am nowhere near perfect.
Again,
I've messed up so bad in so many different ways, and my life could have taken a hard right or left. And I'm grateful, and it did. I mean, I messed up a lot. But be careful who you lay down with. Sometimes, yeah, you don't know. Yes, Angelique. Middle of the night. What's up, Los? Like, what's up, bro? He's like, did you get triggered today?
You got one?
I'll be like, yeah, man. I lie. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'm just kidding. He never does that. But we're going to do it today. We're going to do it right now. It's very easy. This is how it works. I have a trivia question, okay? You call, you know it. Congratulations. You're so smart. You don't know it, guess what? There's several other intelligent people here. They will be able to help you with that. And then you win. So, and then if you win, you can actually say whatever the hell you want. Okay, not everything. There are 7 dirty words you cannot. But pretty much everything else
Use
you're
the
pretty good.
pliers.
How do we lure you into the game? A little bait. And that's with prizes. But Angel, who brings us
Oh, I only have one hook.
Triple R trivia?
Hey, we all know how important our roof is. Well, if you want a free roof inspection, my buddy Mike from myhomebuildersnetwork.com, he'll
Yeah?
do that for you. He'll check
Cool,
it out.
man.
If you
Oh, my life's a walking disaster right now. I got a bunch of health problems. I won't even get into any of those. But the mother of my child, she's got a major drinking problem. Come to find out that she drugs too. And I caught her doing some stuff.
Put it in the boat, babe.
And when
Yes,
I come
I'm trying,
home,
babe.
she took the kid and took off. And I called the cops, and they proceeded to treat me like a dirtbag, to put it in a nice way. So I'm having trouble just trying to find my kid. I'm kind of lost without him, man. I need somebody to lean on, you know.
Well, we are in the road right now. When did this happen, Joe?
This was last Monday, so a little bit over a week.
Oh, this is really new.
So and did you say it's one child or two children?
Well, I mean, I'll try to make a long story short. I have a 16-year-old with the same mother, and I didn't even know he was mine.
I know Angelique, you've had, you've had shared custody with your child, and Angel as well. And what I would immediately say is you contact the police or you contact your lawyer. But you said you've done that, and what they state of mind to get yourself in check. And so what does that mean? It's okay, even in the midst of this, to worry about your own self while still trying to get your kid back. Okay? Because sometimes people will lose sight of a situation and they will invest all of their energy, and as you should, a good portion.
Catalano is Doc Robbins, who you've seen in 100 other different things.
Okay.
So there's some famous people, right?
Yeah.
The guy, Michael Hari, who plays Eddie, has 163 movies he's done.
Really?
That's a lot. That's accomplished, right?
I think so. That's more than what I've got. I think that's more than I got.
That's fair. Somebody texted the other day and they were like, hey, when's your movie coming? They have not told me. I know they will.
Hey!
Right. Listen, a masterpiece like that's going to take some time.
You know, to see what's happening now with they're doing the capital raise and all that stuff, and it's interesting to hear those talking heads that are turning around and going, wow, this is going to give them the money they need to rebuild this company. And anyway, well, this is not about that. This is Ice Cube is suing because apparently Robin Hood has done has used Ice Cube lyrics. Actually, they've misquoted his lyrics, and they've used his likeness in ads.
Very
and
hungry.
he's not having that.
Robin Hood, the app
We have
has?
so many now,
Yeah,
babe.
Robin Hood, the app, has misquoted his lyrics and used his image.
I'm gonna let
Is
you
it in a
go.
commercial spot? I remember a Robin Hood commercials, his likeness or lyrics. As
I don't
such
know where it was, but this was the statement. I think actually in the lawsuit itself says, however, in an act of unmitigated gall and transparent
Where, Buddha?
retribution, Robin Hood and its subsidiary have used the image and likeness of Ice Cube
This is
without
the one that I-
permission to
that I
promote
just
Robin
broke?
Hood's terrible products and services.
No, it's
Robin
not.
Hood has picked the wrong man this time.
For sedan. Unfortunately, when you're dealing with children as witnesses, sometimes you don't,
The line?
obviously they don't have cars and stuff like that. Smith is wanted for attempted murder, and the victim was shot. As long as probably going to lose his vision, and hopefully we'll make it through this, but there's still an active warrant out for him. If you follow us on Twitter, we're always retweeting all the things that our law enforcement partners are looking for. And any help you can give us in any of these cases, we absolutely would appreciate it.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Detective Barb. And you know what? Once again, let's get...
Ice Cube. So, you're familiar with Robin Hood, the app, the trading app that everybody, pretty much everybody in the world despised when they stopped.
Yeah, the one that screwed me out of $20,000. Yeah, that one.
Angel, you got bit by Robin Hood too, right?
No, I did it the right way, so I made a nice little sum of money. I wasn't an idiot trying to go against the norms.
Yeah. Okay. So you got in and out at the before they stopped the trading.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, this
Gotcha.
is so
Brian,
small.
did you at least hold on, or did you sell?
Well, I held on. It was too late at that point, so I might as well
And you're
take these
doing
losses.
okay, right? I mean, that stock has come back strong.
It's gone back, but not like that day.
No,
You have
Steven,
only
don't
one
understand
tip in
this.
front.
He's had plenty of opportunities to
One
get
tip in the
money out of
front.
that and be in a good position, and he refuses to do
Diamond
that.
hands. Diamond hands, Angel. What is it? You don't understand.
Because
His
he's
hands are diamond.
trying. But then you're gonna pop off the mouth and be like, "Oh, they owe me 20 grand."
That day I would have cashed out because
Yes.
it was so ridiculously high, and then I could not because they stopped all trading and because
You weren't cashing out that day. You
Murderer and assassinate him. Delving deeply into the pulse-pounding undercover operation. Listen to Good Assassins, Hunting the Butcher, on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts. Join the hunt.
Broadcasting. We are
We had enough, maybe, but I think this one is a little bit small. Ooh, look at their teeth! Oh, why? I think this one is a little bit small.
Is this Sam Arnold?
No, Aldrin.
Aldrin. Okay, I thought it was the quarterback for the Jets, and he was mad at us. Aldrin. Aldrin.
Yes. What's up, man? How you doing?
So fun.
Oh, wonderful. That's your name, Aldrin.
Yes.
Where's that from?
His dad.
Pretty much. My dad's name is Alvin, so he named me my son.
But how many times did he call you the wrong name? I bet you three gentlemen here that are very intelligent in their own ways. Now, wedding dresses, I think only one has some real experience with that, and so he may know some costs better, but I'll let you pick who would you like to help you with this.
Oh, that one was small.
Small?
I'm gonna go with my man Angel.
Okay, Angel Rivera.
Small?
Angel Rivera, you heard the question? The most popular wedding dress on Amazon has been selected. It's beautiful. I've worn it before. It's lovely.
Producing a ton of other rock albums. Number 2 on the top 5 songs from fake movie bands from listeners say it twice. The Wonders and That Thing You Do. More sense than School of Rock, for sure. Totally.
I'm sure. But they don't do local dong service.
From package and delivery, Cento Moving is fully licensed and insured to provide a seamless CENTO moving.com. Cento Family Moving and Storage. Forget the stress. Move
Send me that number, please.
Absolutely.
Because my wife keeps asking me, and I keep saying I haven't done it.
I just spoke with him, like I said earlier this morning, and so he's expecting your phone call. I'll shoot that over to you.
Sweet.
In today's prize pinata, we have a $50 gift card from Metro Diner. Share breakfast, lunch, or dinner with family and friends at your local Metro Diner or order online for curbside pickup. Contactless delivery. Enjoy classics like fried
I don't
chicken.
understand. It's not just Disney, right? All employers look at your social media, people.
I saw
Don't
it.
post things that you
Barracuda.
don't want your employer to know.
Yeah.
So
no.
look
You
at
don't
the
want them
small
to know
ones.
that. Don't. This is public.
Woo, wow.
How many places search your social
That's
media
good.
before they hire you, and then they won't hire you because of stuff like people seem to think that social media is, something that's off limits to employers, and it's absolutely not. So
Yeah.
think before.
Angelique. I'm here with who else? Angel and Ryan Holmes. And he can't, D-Strong can't hear me. He's so upset.
Yeah, he's
because he
trying
can't
really
hear me.
hard. He's just nice.
He's doing it in the sweetest way,
He
too.
did it. He did it.
Cool. Boom. First off, I want to set up something
You need
for
the next?
break. Next break, or next segment.
No, it doesn't. Come on. This is Hollywood. A little bit of makeup. No, it doesn't look like John Lovitz at all. At all, dude. This is the guy from Saturday Night Live. John Lovitz was on Saturday Night Live. Portlandia.
Okay, Fred Armisen.
Fred Armisen, yeah. We gotta take a break. John Lovitz, get out of here. We'll be back.
Yay! We're gonna get better, really. I have hope.
And just the music lifted me up. I'm that type of person. I hear
I
music
don't
that
have
lifts
either.
me up, and I think most of us are.
Mini
More of a
barracuda
segment,
down
and I
there.
wanted to call it Lean on Me. Okay?
I don't have
And this
hope.
is the second. Look, I'm not a therapist.
Look at
I'm not a psychiatrist, I'm not a doctor. I'm a guy who's been through some